How to turn off auto scroll on Twitter or X. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to turn off or auto scroll on Twitter or X, simply launch the Twitter or X application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, when you tap on any of the videos over here, so let's just tap on any random video. So let's just scroll through it and see if we have any videos available. So as we do that, what we can see is whenever the particular video gets finished, then it will be auto scrolled. But if you want to simply just remove it or turn off the auto scroll, what we can do is tap on the video, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here we have the option of auto advance, which is basically the autoplay option. So it is enabled, as you can see on the screen. Simply tap on it and it's disabled. And now you have turned off auto scroll on Twitter. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.